We would like to thank to those travels and family, Ariel Coco and family, Brooklyn and Zan and family, Parachute Insurance, D-Life Food and Services. If you need a good one, a good catering, just call the number on the top right. Okay? Dear class, red and Parico cars. If you need a good car, just visit Parico cars. I don't know where they are located. Once again, you are welcome and very invited for this event tonight of Filipino Waitaki Incorporated Christmas party to be held at Omaro Central, Omaro Recreation Center at Omaro.
Russell, guys. Zero, usa to? Usa number?
The man wearing characters.
Yeah! Siya, oy! Tara!
Please. One more picture, please.
Thank you!
Lucky one.
Oh. Ah, my cue. My cue. Oo. Oo, saan binili? Saan binili pala, di ay? Bless kayo, bless. Amen. Kita anak ni Lord.
Certificate of recognition awarded to for representing CFC and for your commitment support in the recent CFC One Baby Official 2025.
Alutoan na dyan, oy.
First prize.
First prize.
Ano naman to Strawberry Fair?
Certificate of recognition awarded to Jason Murphy from CFC Omaro.
Yay!
We acknowledge the arrival of our regional director.
Head!
No other than Brooke, Ray, and Tita Beth. Yeah, everybody happy. Thank you. Come here, Tita Beth and Bro Tito Ray. We need you here for the pictorial of the awardees.
All right. Jason and Rudy. David and Christy.
Sorry, may kasal dyan ni Kapil. Kaya
Come here. Hello. Come on. And June and Lovely. Fatima ko. Ako naman ay sa mga kayo kasi and Jumi and Ryan for the third place. Jumi and Ryan for the third place.
Lam.
Kanina na si Jumi and Ryan. Jumi and Ryan for the third place. Where's your partner?
Lingaw na bro Jomar na nagluto ano yan.
Majod.
Ito, tita.
Pictorial of the awardees.
We have a certificate of recognition and one trophy and 2 medals.
Uy, sa selfie ha? Selfie ba? Selfie. Sunod.
Selfie ba? Selfie.
Sunod selfie. Invite ka.
This is about the year of this year. So we know we need next year again.
Brad,
Our
alam na na.
second in December 12, 2026.
Bonus na ako sa para kay Lord.
Alright.
Lord, thank you.
Na kay madawat mo sa kapat.
We have 2 scholars for this game. 2 scholars. 2 scholars. Alright. We are now going to
Tapit ko. Tapit ko.
Sistay. Sistay. Alumira.
Dala na to kami Merlin ha.
Wala ka, wala ka.
Siya.
Wala na na idula.
Awarding na, uy. Awarding. Awarding sa...
Ako natin, award eh.
Oo, third baya mo.
Una, matanataga.
Third man mo.
Okay. Give us
Tagas ka pero nakagunit pa man.
for the fourth round.
Fourth.
Uy, may pa dito, mangka.
Give us one.
Ato, mangka dito. Uy, ano man eh.
Apel dito, pa-picture.
Julie.
Apil ito lang, award dito
Julie.
ka.
Listen to me. Give us one.
Ikaw na lang pag-solo dito.
Your name. Come here. Name of our student, please. Okay. Certificate of recognition from the sponsor. They are Doom Racus, Barrientos family, Angkop, and Cariboy Cars, don't forget, and Lead Guy Food and Services. Alright. A certificate of recognition for Johnny Vicente. And we have a trophy from Sistay. Alright. Yan. Oh, yan. Alright. See? Oh. Alright. Thank you so much for the third runner-up. Team Uamaru, headed by Bro Mike Johnson and Bro Jason Gonzalez. Basketball. Lovely, the third runner-up. Uamaru, all of you.
Sila.
A certificate of recognition, a very beautiful bag with your beautiful and
Uy,
wonderful.
dali agod.
Ayun. Mike Johnson for the certification. Ayun. Okay, you receive your
Dali.
trophy.
Okay, smile. Okay.
Right.
Smile.
Brothers and sisters, event to this year. All right, thank you so much. For the second, first runner, Wyoming, everybody go. Our unit head, Rafael Bernable, on team. And this receive the certificate of appreciation of the Rugby League. And yeah. All right, certificate of appreciation of Rafael Bernable.
Stay dyan, Tita May. You stay.
Oh yeah. And
Why, Mate?
Vidal.
Woo! Well done, why, Mate?
Harga, Wyoming.
Go, go. Ay. Why, Mate?
All right.
Okay, smile. 1, 2.
Okay, sama ka ba? Boy, yan.
Oh, sige, sige. Oh, sige, yan. Oh, patuloy na. Ready? Alright. Announcing now the game of the champion for this year. Alright.
Smile.
No, not for that, for championship, for the champion that.
Okay. Smile. 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2.
Thank you.
Smile.
Bro Melvin Makaray from Timaru. Certificate of appreciation. I would like to call also Bro Owen Dubal, playing coach and chairman of the team. Big hands. And the champion, Team Sipsi Timaru. Yeah, the certificate of appreciation of Alright. Yan. Pasensya na kayo, isang nila lang at saka isang
Dito kayo, bro. Bro.
walang sa budget. Sama! Sa abo, sa isang, sa baba, ayun! Ayun o! Lahat ng mga bata, yan, nandito na. Nandito lang mga player future. Alright! Hindi nila alam na may prize galing sa Panico Dance, $300 each! Hey! From Panico Dance online! Pagkamayan na sa Francisco Rico!
Yay!
Wow.
Run!
Sorry.
Ayan! And we have a certificate of appreciation of our Safety South Canterbury Regional Mission Head, Bro Timaru! Ayan! Sana kami dito! Hey!
Yes, yes. Picture. Sige na. Appreciation.
Dito na!
Okay, 1, 2, smile.
Next road! Next road! Next road!
One is one.
Dito! Saan yung ano mo? Certificate Christ Church! Certificate Christ Church with victory!
Hoy!
Ayun o! Ayun! Ayun!
Mustorya pabaya sila. Mustorya pabaya sila.
Sila si.
Tito Ray.
Once again, thank you
Tito Ray.
of this event. Thank you so much. Thank you for the hard work of Cisco Santa Cruz and Joe Randall Santa Cruz, the search coordinator of the year.
Ganun lang
And
pabaya
closing remarks of Pro Rico. Closing remarks.
ang Team Marlet.
Oh.
Ano na ta? Ano na ta?
Hello? Hindi na tayo uuwi. Hello?
Hi!
Okay, mga kapatid. Maraming salamat sa mga to the players. Thank you very much for your cooperation, for your participation. To the sponsors, thank you for your generosity. To the team, service team of this first CFC 1 League. Thank you for your effort. Mga kapatid, mabuti na lang. Ang champion pala ay team ako. Salit yun namin. Now, this event will not only start today. It will be a national event for next year. There will be another second CFC 1 League, and as I was told, nasa Tinaro. So Tinaro will host the second league of CFC 1 League next year. And it will be again on the second Saturday of December. No. So second Saturday, December, prepare yourself. We will go to Tinaro for a 1 league. And this is not only for fundraising for Hancock, but this is also a strategic evaluation for others. May I request all who have observed in this game that you invite your friends next year to join with us so that we can be a part of this week, the following week. So, and I am happy because we from the whole South Island are here to experience fellowship as brotherhood and sisterhood. So to all brothers and sisters, thank you for your presence, and with that, bless us all.
All right, thank you so much. Once again, I'd like to